Watch out for the angles as you're packing these pieces into the tray in the IQ Twins puzzle. The smaller pieces sit on a 45-degree angle and the larger pieces sit on a 90-degree angle. There's 120 different challenges and 5 different levels in this book, and today we're going to solve 3 of them, level 44, 70, and 111. In level 44, they place all of the smaller twins for us, and we just have to add the larger twins into the tray. Click that subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Click that subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the largest retailers of puzzles in the world. We could take the yellow piece and place it above the other yellow. Then we can use the red L and place it next to the green. But if we look at this here, we don't have a spot for this to sit on the tray because we're starting to get at a 45-degree angle, and place the dark blue up here. Then we can place the green here with the red up top, and lastly the blue just above that. Now dump out these pieces and go on to the next challenge number. In level 70, you need the green and the yellow pieces. Start off with this setup here and then pack the rest of the pieces in around that. If we start off in the top here, you can see the only 2 pieces that are going to fit up here are either of these 2 smaller blues. So if we place this one here, you can see we're going to need a smaller blue next to that. Then we just have to find a spot for this red to wrap around the yellow. But as you can see, we have a really close spot down in here that we will not be able to fill. If we move this down, we have a space in the center that we're not going to be able to fill. So take this red piece and place it above here. Then we're going to take the blue piece and place it like that. We can flip the red piece into there, but unfortunately we do not have a spot for this blue piece here. We place a dark blue here, we can take the dark blue out and place it between the blue and the red. We can take the light blue and place it up here. The L shape can go here, but unfortunately we still do not have a spot for this blue piece to pack into the tray. Instead, take this dark blue and place it back up top here. And we're going to take these pieces out and use this blue piece right here. We can use the lighter blue to fit in there. We can place the light blue over here with the red just below that. Now dump out these pieces and we're going to solve level 111. Once you get up to the higher levels, they don't give you the full pieces. They just give you spots of where the pieces are going to sit. If we place this one right here, that completes the dot here. And then we would need one diagonally from that. So instead, if we shift this over, we have one that is here and one that is diagonal from that. Then if we take this one here, we have to line them up on a diagonal here as well. We could use the blue. Then above that, we could place the yellow. But up top, you can see we're going to need that angle for that blue piece up here. Instead of placing the yellow here, we're going to take the light blue and place it in there. Then we can use the dark blue up here. Now we're going to need the red to stretch into the blue. But you can see we don't have a piece to set underneath the green on the bottom here, so it won't go far enough over. So we need this piece to flip over onto the bottom. But we can't place this dark blue piece above here. So instead, take out the light blue piece and place the dark blue in here. Working on this side of the puzzle, you can see we're going to use the yellow piece in here. We can use this yellow piece here. And lastly, the red piece can sit above that. To get the IQ Twins puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.